Unraveling the mystery of Fiddler's favorite. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even in casual conversations: Fiddler's favorite. This phrase has a rich history and a fascinating meaning that reflects cultural nuances. So, let's dive into the world of language and discover what makes this phrase so special to English speakers. Fiddler's favorite is a phrase that isn't commonly found in everyday English conversation, but when it is used, it refers to something that is particularly liked or preferred by someone. The term fiddler literally means someone who plays the fiddle, which is a type of violin. Historically, fiddlers were central to folk music and entertainment, especially in rural areas. When something is termed a fiddler's favorite, it implies that it is as cherished or preferred as a fiddler's most loved tune, which they would play frequently or with special affection. The cultural significance of this phrase can be traced back to when music played a pivotal role in community gatherings and celebrations. In those contexts, a fiddler was often the main source of music. A fiddler's favorite tune would therefore be one that is frequently requested or that resonates well with the audience, making it a highlight of any gathering. This phrase encapsulates the idea of something being widely appreciated or having a special place, much like a beloved piece of music in the heart of a community. Using fiddler's favorite in conversation or writing adds a touch of lyrical and cultural richness. It's a metaphorical way of expressing preference or fondness for something. For example, chocolate cake is my grandmother's fiddler's favorite. She bakes it for every family reunion. In our book club, Pride and Prejudice is the fiddler's favorite. We've discussed it more times than any other book. When you use this phrase, it conveys not just a preference but also an emotional connection to the subject, similar to how a musician feels about their favorite piece. We hope this exploration of the phrase, fiddler's favorite, has added a new dimension to your understanding of English expressions. It's a beautiful example of how language and culture are intertwined, reflecting the values and traditions of the people who use them. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures with you. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about connecting with cultures and histories. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.